Want to explore various new agent templates in Copilot Studio? Then you're at the right place. Hello everyone, today, in this video, I will show you the latest available templates for agent creation in Copilot Studio. So let's get started. Now, I am in my Copilot Studio portal homepage. Here you can see the various templates. These are the templates available out of the box. You can use these templates for your agent development. So once we select the template, displayed here, your agent will be created with all pre-built setup and configuration. So let's filter these templates by the categories and types of agents we have here. These are the categories we have in the templates list: customer service, finance, human resources, IT and management tools, and from the industries section, we have financial services, government, hospitality and travel, and sustainability. So let's have a look at each category from both sections. Now I will navigate through each category one by one. Under the AI and machine learning category, we have two types of templates. We have website Q&A agent template. What it does is instantly answer user questions using the content of your website or other knowledge. So if you want to set up a website Q&A kind of agent, you can select this template. Then we have voice-based template, which is an agent with voice capabilities. So if you create an agent with this one, you'll get an out-of-the-box voice capabilities agent. Let's move on to the next category, customer service. From the customer service, we have website Q&A, case management, citizen services, and self-help. We have here case management. Let's understand what it offers. It provides round-the-clock automated support to customers by understanding their issues and creating cases. Then we have citizen services. It enables public sector organizations to build an agent with their publicly available websites to assist their citizens navigate government services and information through Q&A. With the self-help template, you can enhance customer service with AI by automating case retrieval, response recommendations, and policy-based actions, leading to quicker resolutions, consistent communication, and better resource management. So, basically, we have 4 templates from the customer service category. You can use any of these templates for your requirement. Once you select the template, your agent will be created with all basic setup and configuration. Then let's go with the next category, that is finance category. Here we have financial insights. We have only one. This agent is designed to help financial services professionals get quick and concise info from their org's financial documents, such as analyst reports and earning call transcripts, and other available resources. This agent works best with the financial document analysis skill available in Azure Marketplace. Then, let's go to the next category. Here, we have human resources. Under the human resources category, we have 3 templates: Team Navigator, Inclusivity, and Benefits. Let's see, what are these? Team Navigator assists employees in finding colleagues and their hierarchy within the organization using Microsoft Teams. An inclusivity agent is an activist for all things inclusivity in the workplace, helping employees to have a safe place to ask questions and to learn how to activate inclusivity in a modern and diverse workforce. The benefits agent provides personalized information on the benefits offered by the employer. This information is tailored to the employee's unique circumstances, ensuring they receive the most relevant details about different types of benefits, such as health benefits, education, and childcare. The agent pulls data from many different sources and delivers this information in a conversational manner, breaking down complex details into easy-to-understand and actionable steps. Let's move on to the next category, IT and management tools. Under this category, we have one template that is IT Help Desk. It empowers employees to resolve issues and effortlessly create or view support tickets. Now I'll move on to the next section, which is industries. Under industries, we have financial services, government, hospitality, and travel and sustainability. Under financial services, we have only one template, that is financial insights, which we already discussed. This agent helps financial professionals quickly extract insights from financial documents using the Azure Marketplace's financial document analysis skill. Then, we have government industry. Here we have two categories: Safe Travels and Citizen Services. Safe Travels provides answers to common travel questions and related health and safety guidelines. Citizen Services enable public sector organizations to build an agent with their publicly available websites to assist their citizens in navigating government services and information through Q&A. Then from the hospitality and travel industries, we have weather. Forecast template. Your go-to assistant for getting weather forecast. Then at last we have sustainability industry. Under this we have one template, Sustainability Insights. It enables users to easily get insights and data about a company's sustainability goals and progress. Basically, we can see some of the templates are common both in the categories and industry sections, and some of them are unique. So, you can use these templates for your needs. Once you select the template, the basic setup of the agent with all the topics and others will be created automatically. One more thing, we should be aware of that the number of templates what we see is not static. It is dynamic, as day by day Microsoft improving the Copilot Studio tool. So, whatever the templates you see now as of today, this list will grow in the coming days for sure. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this demo and learned something new today. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. In the coming days, I'll be sharing more exciting videos on trending Microsoft technologies, including Microsoft Copilot, Gen AI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and much more. Stay connected and support me on this journey. Thank you for being here.